Do you want to learn stock trading fundamentals in just 1 minute? Here's how. Stock trading is the process of buying and selling shares of a company, allowing you to own a small piece of that business. The goal is simple: buy low and sell high. This means that when you are buying, someone else is selling, resulting in a transaction. In a transaction, when the buying power is higher, the stock price goes up because people are eager to buy and are willing to pay a higher price, pushing the stock value upward. The same goes for selling. When selling power is high, people may panic and sell at a lower price. To improve in stock trading, we can use tools or experience to increase our winning rate and reduce risks. For example, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, news, market sentiment, and other factors can all influence stock market value, making the market unpredictable. In short, stock trading involves both risks and rewards. Make sure you can balance them before you start trading. Have fun!